Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Phillip S. This is the beginnings of your LesComm 148 LTD. We're starting out with a Uniden 148. Let's see, what's the manufacturing date? April of 1989. Okay. Got some things in here that I need to take care of. Getting that glue and stuff out from around that thing. It's probably corroded. Looks like someone's already replaced the 8719. Don't like the socket they use, though. I'll probably replace that socket. Got a couple of crooked coils that needs to be straightened out. That's a little too crooked there. Looks like they had channels in it and took them out, but they haven't bolted the final, and somebody's been monkeying with the bias back there. I'll straighten all that out. Okay, all in all, it looks to be in pretty good shape. More to come. Look at what my buddy over at Gamma Ray Graphics has been up to. He's now making leather key rings. These are cool. This one's looks like a radio antenna tower. That one there, let's see, it's got 5 switches. That's probably a Cobra 29. But it's on a sideband channel. It's on channel 38. Sidebanders will appreciate that. And look at this one. Got the Cobra logo in it. That is cool. Sure is. This is Gamma Ray Graphics. These are the folks that make all of our decals for the radios. They do the custom LesComm decals. www.gammaraygraphics.com. Tell them LesComm sent you. Okay, Phil S. I am deep in converting your radio over to the new LesComm LTD. 148 LTD. You can see I got the 3-digit display installed. Got the new blue frequency counter digits installed. Okay, I'm going to be going into these 2 center switches and modifying them to make them momentary. This will be the favorite get switch and favorite save. All right. Okay, more to come. Okay, here's an update on your radio, Phillip. I've got all the blue digits installed. The new panel is wired into the radio. Okay, and of course all of these wires will all be tied up when I'm finished with it. There's your LC6404. I've still got to wire up the switches to the front here. The empty hole is where the echo will go, the TRBX3 echo. Okay. I've just been doing the alignment between the 3 modes. That's lower sideband, AM, upper sideband. Okay. And it slides down to 299 and up to 313. Now we're on channel 30. Okay, there's center slot on 30. Hard to do with that, just that shaft. There's center slot on 30. Okay, I've already replaced the crystal. I got rid of that giant old, what is that, HC6 I think they were called. This one was made in '89. These things drift a lot. Well, you know, anything large like the crystal inside this is more affected by temperature than what the little ones are, like this one right here. And of course I increased the tolerance on these. They're tighter. Done a lot of things in the radio. There's your one of your new caps. There's another one. Still got to replace that gray one right there. I replaced some of the corroded jumpers, like that one right there was corroded. That's new. Same thing with this one over here. That's new. Got all the shotkeys in. All the diodes have been updated. There's 2 of them there. There's 2 back there. And there's one underneath the board. There you go. There's 2 underneath the board right there. Okay, all the shotkeys are in. The RF amp upgrade has been done. Broadbanding has been done. Of course, got the adapters installed so that it'll work with the LC6404. And like I said, I've still got to wire up all the switches, you know, from these 2 connectors here to the switches on the front panel. And then I'll be installing the RFX 150. I've already got the SO239 removed. Cleaned up the back of the radio. Okay. And that's a refurbished connector, refurbished Uniden connector. The connector itself was still in really good condition. It was just dirty. Had a little corrosion on it, on the clips. Of course, the center of the screws were rusty, so I threw those away. Okay, and I will put your serial number plate on the RFX 150. Okay, and like I said, all of these wires will be tied up nice and neat. You know, before I close it up. You're getting new chrome covers to go on it, new face, so it will be a new radio. Okay, all right, more to come. Okay, another update. There's your RFX 150, and I got talking on 38, got quite a few good reports on it about how nice and clear the audio was. There's your white face LesComm meter, and it will have a red and blue LED in it because we're using this LED to indicate whether or not the RFX 150 is on. Okay, that'll be this switch right here. With it pushed in, this light will be on, and the RFX 150 will be active. Okay, still got to put the Echo, the TRBX3 in there. It's coming along. Ain't got far to go now. All right, more to come. Okay, Phillip S. Just about done with your LesComm 148 LTD. Showing you the inside one last time. There's your LC6404. Okay. I am about to tie all the wiring up and get it ready to go out. Still got to replace that capacitor. I'll do that right now. Okay, more to come. Okay, you got your TRBX3 installed. There's the cabling for it on there and down to the mic socket. That's the cabling I cut off. They give you way too much cable length, especially on this, on the mic in and out. So there it is, coming out of the connectors, coming right around to the control here in the front. Okay. All right. Got to go in and clip off the wire ties. I got that capacitor back there replaced. It was a 1000 microfarad 10 volt. Why in the world they ever put a 10 volt in there, I'm not sure, but it's been upgraded to a 1000 microfarad 25 volt. Okay. And I think I told you already, I cleaned off all the corrosion I could find. I'll replace some jumpers like that one right there with the bead on it, the ferrite bead, and there's another one, the one that had 2 ferrite beads, that's been replaced too. Okay, any components, resistors, transistors, whatever I could find. Also clean the corrosion off between these 2 crystals and the cans here. They added glue onto those to hold them in place, and I soldered them in place. And I think I've already shown you the shot keys. The receiver's been upgraded. Basically everything's done. I was getting ready to I got to put Loctite on these guys, and I'll look it over real good before I close it up, just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, and your echo board has been grounded directly to the audio transformer. Okay, right there. Actually cleaned up a corner of it and soldered the ground for the echo board directly to that. Okay, more to come. Okay, one last look at the inside of it before I start putting the face and covers on the radio. Alright. There's your TRBX3. I think I showed you that in the previous video. Went through and did the whole alignment, and I did go ahead and replace the PLL chip simply because the original chip was not behaving like I would want it to. So I went ahead and put a brand new PLL IC in there for you. Okay. All right. More to come. Phillip S. This is your LesComm 148 LTD. You can see we started with a PC412 chassis. Somebody had already changed out the PLL, and they screwed up the runs a little bit. I dressed them up as much as I could. Repaired this cut with a wire. Okay. This wire right here is for your light in the meter. Okay. It's got a 1K ohm resistor in there to keep it from being too bright. Alright, but you can see the board looks pretty damn good. There's your amp back there. It cleaned up real nice. The only bad spot I found was right there around the PLL chip, you know, where somebody had used a soldering gun, I imagine, to try to replace the chip. That's all been taken care of. And you got a brand new Fujitsu MB8719. I think I showed you that. Alright, more to come. Okay, Phillip S. in California. Wanted to show you some of the accessories. There's your 4 mounting screws with the rubber deals that go behind the chrome bracket. Your bracket is chrome. The new covers on the radio are chrome. Okay. Here is your new microphone. It says Superstar on it, but it's a coffin top microphone, and it has 5 pins. Look at there. Just remember, on these old radios, Got to have the microphone plugged in to hear anything. Okay. Now here's your power cable. The power cable is a Y cable. And the reason that it is a Y cable is that both the amplifier and the radio have to be supplied from the same source in order for it to work. Okay, otherwise your amplifier won't work, because the radio won't key it. The DC source will be different. Okay, and that guy there has a 7-amp fuse, and I think this one has a 20-amp fuse. This is for the amplifier, this is for the radio. Okay, and there's the ends. I used what is that? Is that 10 gauge wire? I think. I can't read it. Yeah, 10 AWG right there. Okay. I think I said 10 AWG. Hell, I don't know. It's big enough anyway. All right. More to come. Okay. Phillip S. in California. This is your LesComm 148 LTD Custom. 148F LTD Custom. I'll get it right here in a second. Complete with RFX 150. Okay. All right. First things first. Let's look at the amp power. Amplifier off. That guy there is on the 100 watt scale, which is on the bottom. This one is on the 250 watt scale, which is on the top. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Running almost 20 watts RMS. Audio, 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 audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, audio. I'd say about 25, 30 watts peak. Okay, now I'm going to turn the amplifier on. Oh, the S meter turns red when you're in transmit. With the amp on, watch this light. That light comes on to let you know you're running with the amplifier, okay? All right, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that was the lights on my bench dimming. And let's get a shot of RMS. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This thing has got some audio. Now that's on sideband. On AM. Hello. Hello, audio, audio, hello. Hello, audio. That's with the amp on. Turn the amp off. Audio, hello, hello, audio. And I'm getting some really good reports. So, all right. That pretty much does it. Nothing to hear. I'm on the outside antenna now. Well, no, I was on the bird. Hang on just a second. Let me switch this over. Now we're on the outside antenna. And it's pretty quiet. Normally I can hear some skip this late at night. Okay, things to show you. Squelch scan. Press this button in, it scans up. Press this button in, it scans down. If you press both of them at the same time, whichever one you pressed first is going to be dominant. Okay? This is your get and save button, your favorite set of buttons. In other words, right now we're on 385. Let's say we want to save those. Push that button in. Okay, I just saved it. And here's your CSS switch. Okay. We're on A40. And now I want to go back to channel 38. I just push in get. Oh, nope. What's going on there? Oh, you know what? I got them hooked up backwards. Okay, I'll have to pull the cover off of it and put it back together. Dang it. Okay. So, oh no, that's right. No, it ain't. That's save. And that one's get. Okay. Alright, yep, I do have the wires hooked up backwards. Alright, I'll fix that. Okay, for squelch scan, squelch the radio. And the higher you have the squelch, the stronger the signal has to be to open it. And you just push that button right there, push the up button, and away she goes. And when the squelch opens, you'll see this guy over here scanning. See that? Okay. When the squelch closes, it goes back to scanning. Same thing with down. See, I'm going to push the down button and we're still going up. It won't go down until I release the up button. Now we're going down. Okay. And remember, if you have this guy, if you have the CSS button pushed in, then it's going to scan bands, 45 channels at a time. So you don't want that. Make sure this is out. And then you can use squelch scan to scan up and down. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, that about does it. I will go in there right now and switch these around. Got to pull the screws back out of the covers, but I hadn't put the warranty stickers on yet. Alright, Phillip, I sure hope you enjoy your LesComm Cobra 148F LTD Custom. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody. Okay, I wanted to show you real quick that I fixed that get and save button. Okay, I'm going to save channel 38. And I'm going to the next band up. Now I want to go back to C38, which is channel 38. Let me turn that off. Okay, D38 is channel 83. But now I want to go back to channel 38, the one I saved earlier. So I hit the get button, and there we are. We're back at channel 38. And that flickering that you're seeing with the display is the refresh rate of the display syncing with the frame rate of the camera. Okay, it's not really flickering. Okay, that about does it. I'm going to put the bottom cover back on it and put the seals and box it up, ship it out. Phillip, thanks for your business. Hope you enjoy the radio. 73s, everyone.